Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing to the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Chief Minister's lightning fact-finding visit to Pathfinding School. Congress elects new party president today. Champyang led a delegation of Senkasi elders to arts and culture officials. And Bolero head-on crash with a truck killing the driver on the spot. And now the news in detail. With serious concern at the various grievances from students and teachers of Shillong prestigious girls' educational and institution Pathfinding School, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma along with the Minister of Education Lakamin Rumbui and the Chief Secretary D.P. Walang made a lightning fact-finding visit to the school on October 17 to see things with their own eyes. The trio visited various sections of the school and found out what the students complained about was really true. Basic amenities in the school were wanting immediate repairs and renovation. The Chief Minister's deep concern at the deterioration of basic infrastructure in this prestigious institution of the state. He promised that the government will take speedy action to restore things by the next academic year.
Days time on how we can temporarily accommodate the children who are in the hostels in temporary facilities around the campus only. So we are examining that too. We have also come and seen this auditorium which has been lying unused. We feel it can be put to better use. So we will be repairing this also and deciding on how we will use it in the future. So this was basically an idea was to, as I said, have a hands-on view of the entire situation out here. We are so also seeing the field out here. This also is in a bad condition. So we feel that can be done in the field also. So those aspects also will be examined. And other administrative requirements also are there. For example, the offices required for different staff and principal. We'll examine all those aspects also. So the idea was basically to come and see the overall situation out here based on the different concerns that have been raised by the public and the past pupils, the teachers and other managing committee members. So based on all those concerns, we thought that we should make a visit and see things with our own eyes. And based on that, as I said, we are going to take certain steps to improve things.
After 24 years, the Grand Old Party, Indian National Congress, INC, held election of the president who will lead the All India Congress Committee for the coming years. This time, both presidential candidates Mallikarjun Kharge and Shashi Tharoor were outside members of the Gandhi family. In all, there are 9,000 eligible members of Electoral College spreading all over the country are voting for the new president of the party. Meghalaya is having 56 electoral votes led by the president of Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC, Vincent H. Pala, MP Lok Sabha. After casting his vote, MPCC president said that he looks forward that the Grand Old Party, Indian National Congress, will emerge with a new life and vitality to take up the leadership of the government and lead the country to new height as it was before.
Keren kareng tu bit kayu, Andre wat nak kerela ro klemio iman support ke babiang. Tengah try kata aku gadau kaba ngamnut rapon ong upoi sekatong ning upoi sekatong. Kaba ro kharke ro lalong MLA deki bonsnem lalong MLA pala dekala posnem. Ba kerja upor lalong MP minta posnem lalong leader opposition apa state lejong lalong leader opposition ka Lok Sabha minta orang leader opposition ke Raja Sabha dalam season ba ubala aktif ro bani trelang pengkat gabon ki senior leader sunyi ki don batu tengah in da job kharke ro ka biang in da job tharor ki don lagi jong ki jing mentoy jong ki tengah kena tetin ba da job mano ro ngatrai ka jing kela kan don ba kanan don gata ka jing ya pa pra por ka parti jong.
A group of the Senkasi from the Mausanram constituency, through the MLA of the Mausanram, H.M. Shangpliang, today submitted a memorandum to appeal the state government to build the Senkasi halls as the existing halls has been damaged and the Senkasi could not afford to repair and reconstruct these halls. H.M. Shangpliang lauded the Minister of Arts and Culture, Sanbor Shulai, and said that the Senkasi were grateful for the opportunity to share their problems and difficulty, and they hope that the government will fulfill their needs. We have to support the Senkasi as they are the only organization that can still holds on to the cultural tradition and religion of the Khasi people, added Shangpliang. The Commissioner and Secretary of Arts and Culture has given his support and promises to visit and examine these areas where the halls are planning to build. Shangpliang also informed that Shillong could not attend the meeting as he was not in a good health. Frederick Roy Kharkongor, Commissioner and Secretary of Arts and Culture, S. Marak, Director of Arts and Culture, and other officers of Arts and Culture and other departments and the leaders from the Senkasi of Mausanram constituency were present during the meeting today.
Commissioner Secretary, the Art and Culture, Ilaong Inlet Kampalakan, Banyarap, Dakabaka, Technical Wing, Marmar, Shaka Constituency Dumi, Banyagundo, Yakini Kiseng, the Waker, Pala Ai, Yakataki, the Kasumki, Ban Lipe, Banjurin, Ya, Hijaka Puta, Banjo, Banpeng, Yakajaka, Banshina, the plan of the estimate. Nakaliang mga nalabo, kajikapak, kaliang sokat ba. Kita sang pa arbanay bantay kami. Suaba kanwan the code of conduct organized January. Ni kwa ba nakaliang sokat kin pendenang but kin sanction ya kini ki project apo kata apo. Namba kajing wan ju kini kiri rampa mutasi kanumlong ba syusape kanumlong ba syuwan kai sini Shillong banbu ya kini berkas.
A Bolero driver was killed on the spot and other passengers sustained serious injuries in an accident that occurred in Rangjuli in Tura Guwahati National Highway on Sunday night. According to reports, a Mahindra Bolero vehicle from Tura that was driven at high speed crashed head-on with a loaded truck on the National Highway in Assam's Rangjuli Reserve Forest under Kamrup District's Dhupdhara Police Station, killing the driver on the spot. The Bolero vehicle bearing the registration number ML08H9433 belonged to one Rajesh Kumar Prasad. The impact was so powerful that the Bolero was turned into a twisted piece of metal with its roof collapsed, doors and body became a mangled metal. The driver was crushed to death and his body could not be removed due to absence of steel cutters. Emergency teams reached the spot and retrieved the body with the help of a JCB earth excavator to break open the mangled metal of the Bolero.
Apa ya ditunjuk apa? Yang apa boleh tu? Ayah ada no? Siapa yang tunjuk?
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.